Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your girls, Yanique
and Shelly. Drum roll.
So today we have an excited video. What we call, tell them goody, tell them
Smack or pass.
like bam,
So go see.
bam.
So go see we get some box
Yeah, like that.
with
So,
powder. Alright.
Yes, so we're gonna play smack or pass today.
If I saw it call, I think I saw it call.
Yeah. So either. So we're gonna ask questions
yeah.
like we think each of us should know about each other, cause we grow up together, you know. From you, we are there with me, we know each other. So when I talk about no sister way, you know, live down a Oyo
and see them every weekend or whatever.
We talk about sister way, grow and live together. So she's supposed to know these things and the good habits and the bad habits. So if she get any wrong, you know what gonna look like duppy. What gonna look like ghost.
Well, like some of them girls don't put on makeup already.
Oh.
Alright.
So that's what the game's gonna entail. So when you ask a question, if you get the correct answer, then you know that
It pass.
it's a pass. But if you get it wrong, one powder slap in your face. So
yes,
let's see
some
who
girl get
end
back
up.
in your face tonight.
Let's see who's gonna end up be the bigger clown. Definitely not me.
Me feel like me now get no powder on my face tonight.
You know, so me always the winner any game we play.
I feel like I get none on my face tonight. I go pan top. Me the OG, you know, me hold it down.
I'm gonna be a tough self goody face. Listen. Oh, you see all my lips? You see, nice. I'm wearing some glam color to look nice and plumptious. Check out some glam collections.
I feel like me put on the one that I see when you have no.
Yeah. So
me put on
girls, it's some glam collection. This is the lip gloss that I'm wearing. She's on Instagram and also Facebook.
It kind of have a minty feeling.
Yes. See, she even know you see she teeth up my lip gloss.
Yeah, I have a minty feeling for your lip.
This is the peppermint rush. I'm gonna tell you bad.
Nice.
Yeah. Sammy, I'm gonna need one more. Almost done. See, she use it too, so you know say I'm gonna need the next one. So go guys, go ahead and check out Sam Glam Collections on Instagram and on Facebook. Get the good lip gloss them.
Well, they're cheap one. They get a Chinese man.
Exactly, and it's naturally made in Jamaica with all the nice ingredients. Let's back into our video. Why am I love talk about people? Hey,
you have to promote your friend.
Hey,
you have a friend.
Anytime I friend them,
yes.
I'm a family have good business and good talents. Oh, me frightened for them. Listen, me. Hey, big up my good. My good, nice. Wow.
You ready? You ready to get slap in your face or what? Hey, come on, she does a delay. Like she not ready for you because she knows she get my box. Ready?
Yeah, so big up them. Yeah, big up.
Excited.
Big up. Go and support them. Anyways, let's get into the video.
Alright. So have a powder here, so.
Not about amens. Listen, we are get smack and we gonna smell good while being smacked. At the same time. You understand?
Yes. Me feel like I go sneeze.
Don't sneeze for me now.
Coronavirus. Amens. Alright. Me put the powder right down here. So open it. Come.
Guess. Which song am I singing?
Oh, we forgot to tell them something. What them for do?
Wait. Oh, forgot. What I do? Stop. Go. Like. Comment. And subscribe.
If you're
right
not subscribed yet, we are with pan.
Mr. Right now, hit the notification.
Wait for the subscribe and I'll start. Ready?
Yeah,
wait.
Subscribe.
When you subscribe yet? Yeah, we're not
Do
starting with it to no do it. Come.
Come, hit the notification bell. Come on. Go and like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead.
Alright, we're ready now. Alright, go there.
Now, half powder, you know, a full-fledged. Hear me attack. I know I'm making some snack, you know. Hey,
That's why she had delay. Jesus, we're ready.
Okay, let's get into this video. So, Yannick, run the first question.
Alright, so what we're going to do is...
Me feel like a winner.
The first thing we're going to do is, so we have some sheet of paper, basically.
See, they're blank.
Blank sheet of papers.
So
when you ask the question, you get like actually like 5 seconds to write the answer, then we'll go say
you're going to turn it on and reveal it. So, she's going to ask the question.
First question is, what is my favorite color?
Okay, my turn.
5 seconds, me say no. 5 seconds, me say. 5 seconds, me say. Ding, 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 ding.
Okay. 1, 2,
show your
3.
camera.
No, we say it. Your favorite color is purple.
Okay. Your favorite color is pink.
Go. Can you
what you
see
say?
it?
Pink and purple.
So nobody gets mad.
One of them can't see it. And they can't see it properly. Or maybe back and front because it's the front camera. Maybe. You said purple.
Pink.
Okay.
So, get that one right.
On to the next one.
On to the next.
Okay, so now back. I'm not going to box to the man. What is my favorite food? What is our favorite food? Like your favorite food and my favorite food. Right, you know.
Okay, what's my favorite food?
You have to know your own favorite food.
Oh, no.
She don't know her favorite food. Go. We'll get one box and play.
Listen, because me love my belly, only what things are my favorite food. So, forgive me. Listen, but me go pick one. We should know say, hey, every time, and that me love.
Oh, me know. Me just get it. Me know.
Okay.
Alright, ready?
1, 2, 3, say it. Chinese. Are yours?
Favorite food, like in overall period. Me never say type of food, you know, me say favorite food.
Favorite food.
When you know say wait, you don't see me give you one day, but that's I not really. But she not saying.
Yes, your favorite food, like.
Well, I'm my favorite food, yes, but then you know say me like curry goat.
Oh, like some. I think we get a box.
We feel like curry goat.
Alright, so what's my favorite?
You're supposed to know this as a curry goat. Yeah, my favorite food.
Okay,
but I love Chinese food.
What's my favorite food?
Chicken wings.
Why do I get box? Cause nobody. Hey, tell me say lie, me I tell you.
Really, me don't know that.
Every time I cook chicken, I'm more cook
curry chicken. But
come on,
why me not curry goat? Me right pan mine.
Why would I want to cook curry chicken if it's not my favorite? Listen, every time I'm cooking chicken, it is curry chicken. I don't like.
She like cook
curry chicken. I love curry chicken and white rice.
Me done.
That's my favorite food. Listen, Vex all I want, Vex come.
Because like, every time she say love chicken wing, listen, she love chicken wing. No, me never she said no. So I feel like it's some curry chicken. Curry chicken. We are not.
Come on.
It's let me get out of me.
Stop it, chat this one. Hey.
How much is hard, please?
What if you say?
You're gonna know.
If you ever make a mistake, say, hey.
No, you're gonna hear.
Move. Watch out.
Here.
Close the eyes. No worries.
No, we're not closing the eyes. Ready? 1.
Move it on. Watch out.
Man, my box.
Just box.
You want to see if we get one on? Okay, which one am a good one?
It's your wicked. I'll put it down good one, you know.
Hey. Oh Jesus, wait, where's an alcohol?
Hey, done it.
Alright, I'm ready.
What?
Give it a bit more weight.
No more powder? No man good weight.
What? Never shake up here now.
Alright man, let's get it over then.
Turn the head. We can't get no good box on it. Turn
No, we can't get a good box.
Let me pick.
Hey, just box on.
Let me pick. Let me pick. One. No, me don't want that side because I can't do it good for that side. One. This is side here.
No, I that side of me coming, we couldn't do it good either. Take you right for your side, man.
1, 2.
Alright, goodie.
1.
Hey,
That feel good.
hey.
That feel good.
No, I want the panic, you know.
Look here, come for your birthday. Look here.
No.
Cheers.
What a girl. Hey, I want the connect. Hey.
My friend
Next
is
question,
bad.
cause this unfair.
We're ready
This
for you.
unfair, bad.
We're ready for you, bad.
Okay.
We're next question.
Come close. I want to wash it. Oh, mommy.
Mommy. Never worry about that. Okay, what's our favorite alcohol beverage? You don't drink. So, me go say.
No, you can't. Alright, favorite alcohol beverage, go.
Alright, favorite alcohol beverage.
Favorite alcohol beverage. Me no drink, so. She guess I've go. Me put non-alcohol beverage away. Me go on party, that's what I drink. And I think she's gonna, I don't know.
No, me for right, me no sit in because I don't want. They feel like me a cheat. She said me no want to look. Me turn head.
Alright, let me guess yours. Yours
If you
is.
go on one party, eat a drink.
Yours is.
You try get this. I'm
Yours
good.
is rum cream.
No. Me say beverage. Yes,
Peanut-
alcohol beverage. Yeah.
Pina colada.
Yes, but they get it wrong because they say
No.
first answer wrong first. Where right pen and paper first.
I might answer. Let me do that. You might answer me right.
Oh yeah. Yes, a pina colada, am I right? Pina colada.
But half lick, I'm supposed to get.
Type and spell right.
I'm supposed to get half a
You're
lick.
supposed to get half a little because you say rum
What's
cream.
mine?
Yes. Your one is rum cream.
Me drink rum cream. Good, you get a box. Me, because I'm saying non-alcoholic. If I go to a party,
non-alcoholic. You get cranberry.
no, you're wrong.
What?
Who know me know this?
Malta really?
Malta. Yeah. So you get a full box. Me get a half a box.
What sneeze I come with?
No, me. This is going in the video. Sneeze like. Listen, see. Malta.
Pour down my sinus.
Malta, see there?
Okay.
Me and laugh till me sit me there. My face all see Malta.
Mine
So.
too. So me I get one full box, you get one half a box. But when I get one full box, you say wrong answer first.
You two a train was no, a company will come rub up here. So a powder penetrate.
When I make you go on my nose, kind of see me start sneezing already.
Okay. More provide. God.
Bless
Please.
this hand.
Bless
Bless
the
the hand, dear Jesus. I could put your hand on the box of my face. Make it don't hurt me. Make it just make me feel good.
And God bless this hand. That's when I box her. She sit stars and Tweeny Wally or Peeny Wally name. Yes, God bless it. So when my box her, iconic. Come on.
Come on. Really?
Yeah.
Really? She's a rap on my forehead?
Yeah.
Really on my forehead? On my forehead?
Yeah.
On my forehead?
You know, see makeup me I do.
Me cheese.
Look at that
cheese.
Hey, look on the highlight there. Hey, my body
Let me
man.
just get up and get your box. I'm ready for you. I'm ready. Come. I'm ready. Come. Come. I'm ready right now.
I want one.
We're not gonna get to go.
Yes, man. She too eager, and that will roll her. She too eager today. One look one.
I just thought you know what hurts you that bad.
No, hey, if you don't want to hurt me,
I'm eager for you right now.
and
I'm
you
ready.
look a finger, connect on
Ready.
my ear, so.
I'm ready.
Supposed to
Ready.
you want to hurt me. Why not to me?
I'm ready. Next question.
Listen, she hurt because she alone. Make she go on. So she stay.
Okay, one thing that I'm good at and love to do. One thing that I'm good at and I love to do.
Okay.
You don't know my
amount of things me good at. I will make it right. Oh,
You're trying to bother with it. I don't want no more box. I don't want no more box.
amount of things me good at and me love to do. Eh?
I'm everything
Good, you
about
get
that
a bag.
hard.
Good, you get a box now. Good, I'll go
Me
get
not very
a
sure because me know
box.
where you want to talk about things you love to
And-
do good at. Me know
What?
what you want to talk about. But I'm
Hey,
ready.
the amount of things we good at. You wanna go there?
Alright, miss. Now we'll see what you deal with, yes or no?
But you know, I'm good at a lot of stuff, but do I love to do it? Do I?
You have to love to do it.
I have to love
Something
to do
we're good about it, you love to do it. And you know man already, so I'm gonna have to ask
it.
you what
Me
man
know
want.
already, but what am I for put? I love to do.
Exactly, okay? Don't even know yourself what you love to do, okay? No, there's nothing
I-
where she's like,
Listen, I love to do a lot of stuff.
I write it down, we're done with
Okay.
debate. Can me and you have to debate about the one you good.
Okay.
Can me want to know where you good at you love to do.
Okay. What
Oh,
should
me
I?
kinda know things. Me kinda have
What
an
should
idea.
I do?
She said, don't think about it too much, just write it down.
No, I have to think like.
But if you love you, you
I-
don't have to think about it.
Much things me love.
Much things so. Me positive sure saying a lot of things. Me positive sure.
Okay.
Don't think about it too hard. Cause then you're gonna make me you get it confused. Nobody with the funky things now, no.
Okay, go. If I get one wrong, I'm gonna have a box me, but I'm not go box you if I get one
Okay,
wrong.
because then you know, because you don't know yourself.
I want you, you act. So, let's get it.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Singing.
True. Well, me think myself good. Other people me know about me not care, but me know for sure I'm good. Whatever. That's it. That's what I have. Sing.
I know that already.
Sing.
Me know that.
Yours. Cooking.
You know, say me not right first.
I eat. You can't tell me
me not right
nothing.
first
You
about.
can't tell me nothing.
Honestly, I eat me not right because me love me good at cooking, but
And she love cook.
me not love it. Me really love it.
Yeah, you don't really love it, but
Me love. I know I'm.
sometimes you
good
love
cook.
do it,
I'm
but
a good
sometimes you
cook.
don't.
Yeah, but another.
Jesus, take your wheel.
Oh my, hey! If we never start putting some paper, yeah, hey!
Don't we all ladies?
Stress on me, man.
She loves to do that, man. The time first, me know she can't poof thing about that though.
Why?
She don't know that because it's something we do regular.
Yeah,
It's something we do regular.
Me love-
That's something she love though.
that's
But
it.
cooking, she love cooking.
Yeah, but that's the thing. I'm gonna win-win.
So she
I'm
in
gonna give her one
between
day.
the one day and the one they say kind of
Yeah.
hard for you to them.
Yes, I'm gonna go give her one. No more
Just
licking.
restart, man. No more licking
Stress
this
out my
time.
man. Yeah, that my love though. I'm
She
good
said,
at.
"Yeah, I know, I'm not
If you
fed-
tell you.
You're damn good at it too. Ready, next one. What is that?
Are you right, Goody?
Okay, what's my pet peeve? You know what's a pet peeve, yeah? Somebody that way like you can't start, like something if somebody do you can't stand it.
Yeah.
Or someone turn you off or something
Okay.
like that.
I know what it is.
You know my pet peeve?
I not think I know that.
I know some know your pet peeve. Me know your pet peeve actually.
You don't know it. Right.
Me know your pet peeve.
Right, your pet peeve. I'm right, man.
Like somebody that say I want to date like somebody that does that or something like that or something like that. You understand?
Okay. Me know yours.
What mine?
Me know yours.
Maybe me not to know mine.
Mine. Okay.
Okay, mine is. I have to think about for me. Wait. Let me not like the people though. What things that people irritate me?
My powder irritate me. Hurry up, man. Powder shake me up.
But irritate me. Can't even think about myself actually.
Eh. Nico.
Okay, let me just go on it.
Hey. No, it's just there. This is coming on my head. No, sir.
I don't know, but I know some other pet peeve, but I can't think about them right now. I'm just going to say this on here right now.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. What's here? What's it?
Mean man. That's all what I mean. Like if you understand, me not ask for anything about if you
But
mean.
no. But I mean, if you guess it's all you said. I mean, if you guess.
Oh, but they already writing out to the bottom. Oh, mine. Wait.
Me, man.
I mean, not with you.
No, you right. No, you say it. So you forget me. Forget you tell me yours already.
Oh, so yeah,
Me,
right.
man.
Okay. Well, you're right.
Are you for tell more for me?
Smoking. You know, like guy was a smoke.
She know me like a book.
Smoking.
I don't like guys that smoke. I
But
don't
me
know.
tell you mine.
Exactly. So me just say about me, man.
Me fool.
If you fool, thank you. Come on, guess me, wanna get that. Hey, God.
One. Next one is